Hey, I'll check out this new power tool from SEESII that I just received to try out and show you how it works today. So this is a 16-inch electrical chainsaw, completely wireless. It comes with two 4,000 milliamp hour batteries, and as far as I can tell, it's pretty powerful, enough to cut down this tree. I think this tree was about maybe 4 to 5 inches in diameter, but super simple. The branches were also easy to cut, and we completely fell this tree. Now, as far as installation and assembly, it was a little tricky at first to kind of get the hang of it, but you do have to set it to its side to install, to make sure the chain does attach to the guide bar and to the bolts and to the tensioning pin. So you do have to be mindful of the pin for the tension so that it can properly get the right amount of tension with your chain. Now, as far as the chain and bar oil, it doesn't come included. You do have to buy that separately, and you need about 120 to 130 milliliters. Thankfully, they do include a bottle with a very clear, thick line to show you exactly where you need to fill it up. It also comes with gloves. Now, these gloves are great because they're also touch sensitive, so that you can use it on your phone or whatever, so you can scroll and do that if you need to off to the side. You don't have to take your gloves off every single time. I like that it also came with these safety glasses, and it has everything you need to get started. I'm really grateful for the brand for sending out this sample, and I hope you all found this helpful.
Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.